Hi, this is Aisha coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Monday, February 4th, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 48 degrees with possible rain. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Clubs meeting are Hoover Harmonics will meet today from 3 to 3:45 in the music room. Salsa Club will meet today from 3 to 4 in room 214. Coders Club will meet tomorrow morning at 7:45. Now a message from Miss Rosenblum.
Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy staff and students. Welcome back. Oh my goodness, what a surprise last week to have so many days off of school. I can tell you we really missed you and are definitely looking forward to getting right back into learning this week. We had some very exciting lessons planned last week that we will have the opportunity to do together this week. Thank you for all of us students who dressed for the weather today. Umbrellas were needed. What a surprise was that today. But thank you all for continuing to monitor the weather and coming dressed appropriate for it. I hope you have a great day. Together we shine brighter.
Thank you, Ms. Rosenblum. Today is National Think a Mailman Carrier Day. Did you know postage stamps were first invented in 1847? Hope you have a magnificent Monday.